Do you always aim to please and be seen as someone kind and helpful? If so, it's time to reconsider what nice really means. In Scrum team, being a nice product owner might sound like a good thing, but it can hinder the success of the team. So in this episode, we'll explore why being nice is not enough and why it's crucial to strive for something greater. As a product owner in Scrum team, it's important to focus not only on the product itself, but also on the team dynamics. One of the challenges that teams face is the presence of a nice product owner. This type of product owner may appear to be kind and supportive, but in reality, they are not genuinely concerned with the team's success. Okay? So what's the problem with being nice in a Scrum team? In many cases, people who are considered nice are simply signaling their niceness. They may engage in a seemingly selfless act. This behavior may be motivated by desire to be liked or to gain recognition. This problem will create a false sense of trust within the team. As a product owner, it's important to understand that being nice is not the same as being a good product owner. In fact, sometimes making tough decisions may seem harsh, but necessary for the success of the team. So what type of product owner are you? Now let me show you how to test yourself. Consider the trolley problem as a test of where you stand in terms of your willingness to make tough decisions. I'm not sure if you heard about this test where the person must decide whether to do nothing and let the trolley continue on its course or take action to divert the trolley onto a different track where it would kill fewer people. This scenario is meant to provoke a decision about ethical dilemmas, the value of human life, and the trade-offs that people are willing to make in difficult situations. Now let me give you one example. Some time ago, I was faced with a difficult decision. Our team has been working on a critical feature for our product for weeks, and my developers are almost close to completing. However, I've received feedback from a key stakeholder that the feature is obviously not going to meet their needs, and they urgently need a different feature instead, right? So as a product owner, I had at least two options. Continue with the current feature and risk not meeting the stakeholders' needs, or switch to the new feature and risk delaying the whole project and disappointing developers and stakeholders, right? So this scenario presents a dilemma that is similar to the trolley problem test. The product owner must weigh the potential harm of staying on the current track, meaning continuing with the current feature, versus the potential harm of switching tracks, changing the new feature. They must consider the impact on the stakeholders and the developers and the overall success of the project. Ultimately, they must make a decision they align with the values and goals of their organizations and the Scrum framework. So by using the trolley problem test in this way, the product owner can gain insight into their own moral intuition and decision-making process, while also engaging in a productive discussion with their team about ethical dilemmas and trade-offs in the development. Okay? Now let's talk about being a good product owner. So, being a good product owner means doing whatever is best for the team, even if it means making tough decisions that may not be popular. It involves sacrificing personal desires and considering the team's needs above all else. Good product owner is not afraid to make unpopular decisions or to speak up when something is not working. They are willing to walk the path alone, bringing up contrarian ideas, and even become disliked by the team members for the sake of the team's success. Like Elon Musk is an example of someone who sacrificed everything, worked 100-hour weeks, and had tough personality, and had an abusive family life for 10 years without recognition. And I believe he did all that for the greater good of humanity, just like a Nikola Tesla. Similarly, a good product owner is willing to make sacrifices for the team's success, even if it means going unrecognized. Okay? So, it's time to stop aiming for niceness and start striving for goodness. In a Scrum team, a product owner who is willing to put the team's needs first and make tough decisions is crucial for success. Okay? So let's break away from the superficiality of being nice and embrace the hard work and sacrifice that comes with being a good product owner. Remember, true heroism comes not from being liked, but from making a positive impact on the world around us. Thank you for watching.